Chemistry Volume 2 Unit 8 Ionic Equilibrium. Concentration of the Ag plus ions in a saturated solution of Ag2C2O4 is 2.24 × 10 power minus 4 mole per liter. Solubility product of Ag2C2O4 is 5.619 × 10 power minus 12 mole cube per liter cube. The following solutions were prepared by mixing different volumes of NaOH and HCl different concentration. pH of which one of the following will be equal to 1. 75 ml of m by 5 HCl plus 25 ml of m by 5 NaOH. The solubility of BaSO4 in water is 2.42 × 10 to the power minus 3 gram per liter at 298 Kelvin. The value of its solubility product Ksp will be 1.08 × 10 power minus 10 mole square per liter square. pH of a saturated solution of CaOH2 is 9. The solubility product Ksp of CaOH2 is 0.5 × 10 power minus 15. Conjugate base for constant acids H2O and HF are OH minus and F minus respectively, which will make basic buffer 100 ml of 0.1 m HCl plus 200 ml of 0.1 m NH4OH. Which of the following fluorocompounds is most likely to behave as a Lewis base? PF3. Which of these is not likely to act as a Lewis base? BF3. The aqueous solutions of sodium formate, anilinium chloride and potassium cyanate are respectively basic, acidic, basic. The percentage of pyridine that forms pyridinium ion in a 0.10 m aqueous pyridine solution is 0.013%. Equal volumes of 3 acid solutions of pH 1, 2, 3 are mixed in a vessel. What will be the H plus ion concentration in the mixture? 3.7 × 10 power minus 2. The solubility of AgCl with solubility product 1.6 × 10 power minus 10 in 0.1 m NaCl solution would be 1.6 × 10 power minus 9 m. If the solubility product of lead iodide is 3.2 × 10 power minus 8, its solubility will be 2 × 10 power minus 3 m. My and Ny3 are insoluble salts and have the same Ksp values of 6.2 × 10 power minus 13 at room temperature. Which statement would be true with regard to My and Ny3? The molar solubility of My in water is less than that of Ny3. What is the pH of the resulting solution when equal volumes of 0.1 m NaOH and 0.01 m HCl are mixed? 12.65. The dissociation constant of a weak acid is 1 × 10 power minus 3. In order to prepare a buffer solution with a pH is equal to 4, acid by salt ratio should be 1:10. The pH of 10 power minus 5 m KOH solution will be 9. H2PO4 minus the conjugate base of H3PO4. Which of the following can act as Lowry-Bronsted acid as well as base? HPO4 2 minus. The pH of an aqueous solution is 0. The solution is strongly acidic. The hydrogen ion concentration of a buffer solution consisting of a weak acid and its salt is given by H plus is equal to Ka of acid divided by salt. Which of the following relation is correct for degree of hydrolysis of ammonium acetate? H is equal to root of Kw divided by Ka dot Kb. Dissociation constant of NH4OH is 1.8 × 10 power minus 5. The hydrolysis constant of NH4Cl would be 5.55 × 10 power minus 10.